Let us continue with this lab of 251. 251. Please start this 251 lab. lab. Start this lab. So he will teach you some basics of shell scripting. The lab is slow. I don't know why it's not coming till now. I'm trying to refresh. If you are also facing the same difficulty, let me know. You are able to open this lab?
Yes, sir.
But it's not opening here. I'll wait.
Close the tab and again reopen, sir.
Let me try. Two five one. It's taking too much time than expected. Yeah. Better now. So I'm starting the lab meanwhile. Yeah, I can see. This is 251 lab. 251 lab. So the objectives are very clear. Create a bash script that will automate the backup of a folder to automate the backup. So normally, how to take backup? We use tar, right? Tar. Automation means something related to even cron tab also. So let us learn about that. So once the lab is ready, so task 1 is very simple, right? And the task 2 is write a script. So he will assist you how to write a script. So what we can do is that we can touch backup.sh. Backup.sh file will be created. And also he is asking you to change the permission to 755 and vi backup.sh. This is the new file. So start with I, and then I think we need to give what exactly we want to do a backup. So let us create a variable which we did that earlier. This is a variable and press enter. So that will be the first line. So the second line is something like this. So tar and backup. so and so. So the same file, if you execute, you get the output. You get the output, but he should have given something else like a cron tab or something. He didn't mention about that. That is called as automation. This is a script creation, very simple script creation. Let us do that. This is very simple. I'll also show you how you can do using cron tab also, right?
Okay, sir.
I'll also show you how you can make use using cron tab. So first get the lab ready. Once this is done, access the lab using SSH putty. Yeah, I think I got my this thing. Still under creation only, but still let me try to access this server. The resources are busy, I think, so it is coming slow. So somehow I managed to access this particular one. So what he is mentioning is that please be ready, write a shell script. So you are already in home user, home EC2 hyphen user. So he's asking you to do a touch backup file, backup.sh, and give permission as 755. So please do that. Touch backup.sh, backup.sh, okay, chmod 755 backup.sh. Sorry. Yeah. So there is a 0 bytes file of backup.sh has been created. He's asking you to create a script now. Backup.sh. So I for insert. Right. So the first line you can create this as bin bash. This particular one, bin bash. You can write this is a script. Hash. Okay. Bin bash. bin/bash. Okay. Second line need not be hash. So he is defining to a day. Okay, you can $date so and so so and so. So just copy that line and backup equal to you are defining. This is a script. So you are defining day equal to day, a definition, command alias. It's not a function basically. $date plus year plus, I mean all the function which is there. So once this is defined, you are also defining a backup as a name for home slash. You are completely defining, I mean, the entire function, basically the directory, the folder. Backup here is not the command, it is basically the folder path, So just define that. And now the last line is star C for create. I think we verbose, Z is I mean, what we call as the compression for file display. I don't know what is S basically. So $backup is the previous, the path which is there, you're defining, and the destination. The destination is your the files which you want to take backup. So just define all these things. So either you can write it or you can copy paste. Okay, once you have done so, you can save. Give escape and say WQ. Yeah, So you can say cat backup.sh. This is how the script looks like. This is how the script looks like. This is how the script looks like. Okay. So if you want to execute the script, you see this one, you say LL, I have only these three files. So this file called as dollar, I mean, backup company a.tar.gz will be created. What is that? That is a backup of this company A. The entire folders and files in company a backup file will be created called as company a tar.gz. That is the script which has been written. Okay, so now let us execute that. /backup.sh. Backup.sh. So if you execute that, automatically it does. And now you have a file $day backup. Okay, it is there in backups folder. In backups folder, you have a folder called as backups. So if you say LL backups, yeah, and if you say LL, yeah, you can see that there is a file. There is a file which has been created exactly based on the script. Did you all see?
Yes, sir.
This is point
Yes,
number
sir.
34. If you run this one, expected output, you see this one, expected output is like this. So LS backups, you should see a file like this. A file like this. That is in LL, file like this. 2024 hyphen today's date. Understood, everyone? But
Yes, sir.
but
Yes, sir.
this is not sufficient if you ask me. This is not sufficient. This is not automation. Okay, so I'll remove this file. I'll remove these backups. Asterisk. If you run once again, another file will be created. So if you say LL backups, is there any file here in backups? There is no file, right? So what I'll do, I'll explain you cron tab. This is not there in your lab. I'm discussing to you cron tab -e. This is on and above. I'm telling you how to do an automation. So yeah, our script is backup.sh. Please remember that. Cron tab -e for edit. So it opens a VI editor. I want to run this file every minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5 asterisks. I explained about cron tab to you all. 5 asterisks, okay? And say backup.sh. sh space backup.sh. So this is the script which needs to be run every minute. If you say asterisk means it is every minute. Yeah. So it is done. Using the empty one, it's okay. So if you say cron tab -l, it should show. Yeah, it is showing. Wait for a minute's time. You see there is a backup which has been created. It's not there. It should execute every minute. Every minute. Yeah, it has come. Yes. Yes or no? Did you see?
Yes, sir.
The file has come automatically. This is every minute. If you want 1 hour, you can say In that way, 1 hour setting. Monthly once, you will get it. So I'll remove once again. I'll show you. One more backup will be created. Backups. Aspect. Okay, I have removed this file. If I say LL, there is nothing. Just wait for a minute's time. You will see a backup file will be created automatically. Just wait for a minute's time. It's not yet. You should see the date also. If it is touching 45, so see this is now 45 seconds. If it is touching 00, the file will be created. Nothing. So it is now 5960. Now the backup file. See, got it? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this way, you can automate your requirements also. If the script is there, you can automate. So this is what which is called as an automation. I thought after creating a backup script, how to automate also, you should have given. This is also a wonderful way of automation. All right. You can define, no, not, see, I have given an automation script for every minute. Otherwise, you can wait even for 1 hour or daily once, daily 9 o'clock evening or daily morning 8 o'clock, whatever that, if you want to daily. No, sir, I want only every Friday backup. I can take every Friday back. No, monthly first tarik, every first, I need to have a backup. You can define that way also. 3 months one time you want to have a backup, you can. Yearly, whatever you want, you can do. Understood? So this is the lab. This is the lab automation. And you can say end lab.